Is your engine making strange noises, losing power, or worse yet, not starting at all?
In this video, I'll explain the 7 most common engine problems, how to diagnose them, and most importantly, how to fix them.
When you turn the key and nothing happens, or the engine cranks but won't fire up, there are 3 main culprits.
First, dead battery. This is the most common cause. Check if your dashboard lights are dim or if you hear a click.
Pro tip: if you regularly maintain your battery and change spark plugs every 30,000 miles, you'll avoid 80% of no-start issues.
Second, faulty starter motor. If you hear a grinding noise when turning the key, your starter motor might be failing.
Solution: starter motor replacement. Typical cost: $100 to $300.
Solution: replace spark plugs, PRUD. An easy DIY fix that costs $20 to $40.
Section 3. Problem #2. Engine overheating. Problem number 2. Engine overheating SEP, one of the most dangerous issues. When your temperature gauge goes into the red zone, pull over immediately. Continued driving can warp your cylinder head or blow the...
The main causes are low coolant level. Check your coolant reservoir. If it's empty or low, you have a leak somewhere.
If the thermostat gets stuck closed, coolant can't circulate properly.
The engine temperature will spike suddenly. Solution: replace the thermostat. Costs about $50 to $150.
If coolant is leaking from the front of the engine, your water pump might be failing.
Solution: water pump replacement.
Clogged radiator. Years of debris buildup can block airflow. Solution: radiator flush or replacement.
Warning signs: temperature gauge rising, steam from hood, sweet smell of coolant, or puddles under your car.
Section 4. Problem #3. Problem number 3. Engine misfiring, when one or more cylinders aren't firing correctly. You'll feel this as rough idling, loss of power, or hesitation during acceleration. The check engine light will usually flash. You'll feel this as rough idling, loss of power, or hesitation during acceleration. The check engine light will usually flash.
Main causes: worn spark plugs or ignition coils. These wear out over time. Solution: replace spark plugs first. They're cheap.
If misfiring continues, replace the ignition coil for that cylinder.
Clogged fuel injectors. Dirty fuel can clog injectors, preventing proper fuel spray. Solution: fuel injector cleaning service or replacement.
Low compression. If piston rings or valves are worn, compression drops. This is serious. Solution: engine rebuild might be needed.
Vacuum leak. A crack in intake hoses allows unmetered air in, causing lean mixture and misfires. Solution: inspect and replace damaged hoses.
A scan tool will show which cylinder is misfiring. Most auto parts stores scan for free.
Section 5. Problem 4 asks low oil pressure. Problem number 4. Low oil pressure warning asks never ignore this.
If your oil pressure light comes on while driving, stop the engine immediately. Running without proper oil pressure can destroy your engine in minutes.
Causes: low oil level. Simply check your dipstick. If oil is below the minimum mark, top it up immediately.
The oil pump creates pressure to circulate oil. If it fails, pressure drops. Solution: oil pump replacement.
Worn engine bearings. High mileage engines worn bearings, which cause oil pressure to drop. This is serious and might need engine rebuild.
Clogged oil filter. A completely blocked filter can restrict flow. Solution:
Regular oil changes are the cheapest insurance for your engine.
Section 6. Problem number 5. Dup white/blue/black smoke. Problem number 5. Exhaust smoke though, and the color tells you everything. White smoke usually means coolant is burning in the combustion chamber. This indicates a blown head gasket or cracked cylinder head.
This is expensive, Morenas. Repairs can cost $1,000 to $3,000. Don't delay fixing this.
Blue smoke means oil is burning. Worn piston rings or valve seals allow oil into the combustion chamber.
Pro tip. Small amounts of white smoke on cold mornings is normal, that's just condensation. But constant white smoke is serious.
Section 7. Problem number 6. AS. Engine knocking. Problem number 6. Engine knocking or pinging sounds.
This metallic knocking noise usually happens during acceleration. It's caused by improper fuel combustion.
Using low-octane fuel. If your car requires premium fuel, 91 or higher octane ampere, but you use
the fuel ignites too early, causing knocking. Solution. Use the correct octane fuel. Carbon buildup. Years of deposits in the combustion chamber create hot spots that ignite fuel prematurely.
Why it's dangerous. Severe knocking can damage pistons, connecting rods, and even crack the engine block. Don't ignore this sound. Problem number 7. Gradual loss of engine power.
If your car feels sluggish and struggles to accelerate, several things could be wrong.